monster truck, motorcycle, and quad racers. Friday and Saturday, January 6th and 7th, the Victoria Community Center will explode with the Winter Nationals Monster Truck Spectacular. And there's even going to be a Saturday afternoon matinee at 2 where it's Kids Day. All new monster trucks for the first time in Victoria. Just like you've seen on TV, doing giant power wheelies. Plus motorcycles and quad racing. And hey, listen to this. On Saturday at 2 p.m., it's Kids Day, where the first 500 kids get a free toy monster truck. Advanced adult tickets as low as $10. That's right, $10. And that's cheaper than a movie, and the kids are gonna love it. And all advanced tickets get a free pit party pass to meet the monsters in person. Advanced tickets available at Rent-A-Tire on Navarro Street, online at outlawmonstertrucks.com, or just get them at the gate. That's Friday and Saturday, January 6th and 7th. Gates open at 6 p.m. for the Friday and Saturday night shows, and 12 noon for the 2 p.m. show on Saturday afternoon. And the Victoria Community Center will rock.